everyone, my name is Arna Tiwari and I would like to wish a hearty good morning to whomsoever watching my video. So right now I am standing in my kitchen garden and there are lots of fruits and trees grown over here. So in my lockdown period, first 2 days were very much difficult as the coronavirus news was spreading and it was at the top of the town. I was really scared. I was really scared of it. So my father insisted me to do some innovative activity so that it can distract my mind from it. So then we come up with the idea of doing gardening. And even our great Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, also insisted us to increase our immunity as it's the only way to fight with the virus. So I googled it and watched the video to how to increase our immunity. And I saw the benefits of wheatgrass as it's a very good substance to increase our immunity. So over here you can see that since my lockdown period I am growing these wheatgrass. You can see over here. So I have taken up the idea to grow wheatgrass. So I would like to share with you all a small procedure how you can grow it. It's a very simple and you can do it at your home, and even it can be grown in pots. You can make 7 pots for each day and then you can grow it in it. It's a very simple process. So let's come, I will show you how to do it. So this is a field, okay, you can see, and just you have to level it up, and like this you have to level, and you can also even remove the stones of it. That can stop the growth of the plants that are coming. So you have to remove the stones of it. Then you have to take a bowl and fill with water, and then you have to sow up the seeds in it. Means like you have to keep the seeds in it, and then after 1 day you can sow up the seeds over here. Then it comes the watering. Then you can water it up, and you can see that. So first you have to sow up the seeds, and then you have to level it up so that it cannot be eaten by the birds and the insects. Then you can water it up. It doesn't need any much water, but a very little water. So this is how it is, and for the 7 days, they are growing to the maximum height, and then you can consume it. You can now the question comes that how you can consume it. So it can be converted into a juice. You just have to cut them up. Then you have to keep them in a juicer. Then you can add water to it. If you want to add flavor to it, you can add lemon and sugar. That's how I'm doing. So this is only the process, and you can have a big glass of green juice. It can also be called as a green juice, and it's a very tastier when you add lemon and sugar to it. So here guys, I just wanted to show you all that how you can increase your immunity, as this is only the time to increase our immunity. So thank you everyone. I just want to share the video, and I hope you all like it.